Go to getmcss.com. Click in Resources link and Developer Docs. Click on Installation Guides and iOS Installation Process. Download the MCSS framework.exe framework and the UI View MCSS.swift file from the next link. Open the Xcode project of your application and drag and drop the downloaded files. Check the option Copy Items if needed and click Finish. Go to Frameworks, Libraries, and Embedded Content. Look for the MCSS framework and choose Embed Inside. To verify the framework was successfully installed, open your app Delegate file, import MCSS framework, and call the initialize method.